Hey, so we're here at the North Star Initiative's first breakfast event, and they've got a lovely space here at the Star Barn in Elizabethtown. Joyland Roofing is really grateful to be a sponsor for North Star, and I just spoke this morning to the crowd, and the mission of North Star is so important to me, having my own daughters at home, and me wanting to keep them safe and give them belonging and give them hope for a great future. Joyland and my team, we find it a natural fit to also support North Star in a very similar mission of creating a safe place for women who are trafficked to have hope for the future, to get out of the situation they're in and find a new beginning at North Star. Joyland has the privilege of owning a house in Lancaster City that North Star uses as a transitional house for some of the women. And it's rent-free for them, and while it's just a house for us, we know that it provides a place to start over again for some of these women, and that's incredible for us to be a small part of that. And Joyland is glad to be one of the sponsors here for the North Star Initiative in Lancaster County. Thank you.